All the swimmers are ready here. First, I'm going to introduce for he is the best swimmer from Karbi Anglong. And the next, he is the best swimmer from South Korea, Niguru. And the next goes to, he is from Japan, the best swimmer. He is the best swimmer. He is from America, the best white swimmer. And the next, he is the last, the best swimmer. He is from Chinese. All the swimmers are ready for the swimming. So, guys, all the swimmers, please get ready. On your mark, get set, go! Oh, the winner from Karbi Anglong, and the second goes to Chinese. And these are all consolation. Now, get ready for the swimmer is another swimming. It is called opposite swimming, vertical opposite swimming. It is from Karbi Singh Pangthai Langwek. Get ready, guys.
Okay, bhai.
Now get ready for the ultra swimming. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, the two. Here comes the winner. Here comes the winner. Oh my God, from Karbi Anglong. Oh my God. The winners come from Japan. And the Karbi Anglong is cheating.
Oh, cả đâu Karbi Anglong. Đi lên tường vân. Rồi xong lang về cái thạch long bom lang có tới là đi lên chích nét rồi. Subscribe ignore. Bell icon. Click ignore. Like, comment, subscribe.